Check out the color on this 2021 Volkswagen Jetta SE Sport Package. Big alloyed wheels. It does have the pano roof on top, touch to lock, touch to open. It's got your backup camera. It's got all your technology in it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, lane guide. Look at this. This thing is amazing on the inside. And we've got it trading post, Conover location, 2021. This is a lot of Volkswagen for the money. Rated at 34 miles per gallon. There's your USB-C hookups, your heated leather seats. Look at your edges. Look how clean. Why buy new when you can have our light new 2021? We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, guys. We have a program for everyone. You've got to check out my new website, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. 2021 Volkswagen Jetta, nicely equipped. Did I mention the big screen with Apple CarPlay? Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, a light new 2021 Jetta SE Sport Package with all the goodies. 828-464-0600, or again, apply online, tradingpostcars.com.